I have a new project I want to start. I need to make 2 sections of molding. So if anyone saw my video on how to shape an iron for a molding plane, you saw me handle one of these big planes. The blades come from one of these planes, and so what I want to do is I want to use those planes to make a piece of molding. It cuts this profile. So I'm going to be making a project in pine, and I need several pieces of molding, but I need 2-foot sections of that profile. So what I want to avoid, because this needs to be taken out of probably something over 1.5 inches, probably closer to 2 inches the way I'm orienting the cut. So I don't want to have glue joints because I can only get my hands on 3/4 material. So what I did was the vertical leg is going to be a 3/4 by 3.5 inch piece, and then the upper piece is going to be on an angle, and that's the piece that's going to receive the profile. And the idea is to have the seam in the 2 pieces be more or less right in here, and you won't be able to see it. That's what I'm trying to do. So I set up this little fixture here, and I'm going to try and glue these together. Alright, let's see if this second one goes a little bit smoother. Okay, the glue up process was a success. This seam is real tight in the front, and this seam is real tight in the back, so I got full contact all the way down. Plenty of clamping pressure, good clamping time, well over an hour for each piece. So now what I want to do is I want to take this corner off so I can continue the machining. So I'm going to do that with a plane. What else? What else would I be using on the rough cut channel? Okay. I was able to get everything right the way I wanted, so I added the strip behind here. So this will all rest on the same plane now. Back here like that. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to get the crease to land right where the 2 boards join, so you won't see it. So the top profile will all be in this one board right here. So I got it set up with a straight edge. So I'm using the straight edge as a guide, and obviously I have a little advantage because this would normally be square, so because it's beveled, a large percentage of this waste is already gone. It's not part of the profile. So I'm going to see if I could start cutting, and this is the profile of the plane. So I haven't run any tests on this. You'll see me do this for the first time. Well, we'll see how this goes. Alright, so now it's a full cut. I'm going to have a couple of passes where it'll be a full cut. It's a little hard to push. Let's put it up against something so we could see how it sits. Looks pretty good. Cut is very smooth. Minimum sanding. A little bit of chatter right on the end as the plane starts to fall off the profile. But otherwise, and I got the step to land right on the crease. So when you're looking at this, you're not going to be able to tell that it's two separate pieces of wood. So this will be sanded up and it'll be part of another project. I think this is a wrap. Very, very happy with this. Stay strong, everybody. Have a good day.